দরজায় আটকে হাত, বাইরে শরীর, সেই অবস্থায় ছুটল মেট্রো।
গত 13ই জুলাই পার্কস্ট্রিট স্টেশনে মেট্রোয় উঠতে গিয়ে দরজায় হাত আটকে যাত্রীর মৃত্যু হয়।
Metro rail has been an important intercity transport circuit throughout the world. It is the pride of the city. Where does it exist? It carries about 160 million passengers every day. Despite being the safest and fastest transport system, some of the goosebumps accidents has increased fear in passengers availing a metro network. We searched accident cases like trapping of hands, legs between the door as reported from Metro Rail Kolkata. If the accident toll would continue to increase, passengers might try avoiding metro, though it is a comfortable and economic way of transport. Consequently, it will face a huge financial loss. With a view to the above, a comparative study alike that was made with modern electronic gadgets. The object was to design hassle-free sliding door with predetermined countdown system and pre-closure announcement. It will also quantify situations and realize the possibility for real ground situation of a train and detrain of passengers, as it is very difficult for a passenger who is just entering the station to get the idea that whether the train has just entered the station or is just leaving the station. To avoid this confusion and the danger of entrain or detrain, in such cases a design timeline system danger ROKO will coordinate to maintain a systemic order and would not allow this accident to occur.
Now, let's understand this thing deeply. John is in a hurry and he arrives at the station to board the train. He sees that the door is open. He thought that maybe the train has just arrived, but no. It's been 5 minutes already after the arrival of the train. Soon he gets into the train, but no, sorry, his hands got stuck and we lost him. So we are planning not to repeat the same story which happened with John. So this is the model showing all its door closed, indicating C on the display situated on the top of the shed, so that passengers can easily track it when they are on the station. This indicates that the doors are closed, so either entry or exit is strictly prohibited. Now, the train has arrived, but unfortunately one door is opened, and the right door is still not open due to technical faults. For that, the left LED will glow because only the left door is opened, whereas the right door is closed. Well, for that case, nothing will be shown on the display, because for that, passengers shouldn't enter or come down. If they do so, they will be responsible for their own hazard. Considering the mirror case, if the left door is closed and the right is open, so for that, right LED will glow. And point to be noted, this is also an exclamatory state. If anybody is entering, then enter or come down at your own risk. Now considering the normal situation, the train has arrived and all its doors are open. For that, the middle LED will glow and first H will be shown on the display, indicating entry should be kept hold. Because for that case, when the train is just entering the station, passengers who are inside the train will come down and the passengers on the station will board. But that would create a mess. Person trying to get into the train and few were trying to come out of the train. They get clashed and something really miserable happens. For that, H will be shown on display indicating that entry should be kept hold. That means entry hold. And for that, passengers who will board the train have to wait for some time until and unless the passengers from the train come down and the countdown starts. The countdown stage. As we all know that the passengers who wanted to come down, they got down. Now after the exit of the passengers, soon the countdown will start from 9 to 0, indicating that the passengers who are wanting to board the train can enter now. Point to be noted, we have used 9 seconds of time gap. We can change it according to the need later on. Safety measures. Suppose anyhow someone's hand got stuck. or any body parts get stuck. For that case, we have used a laser directing to the top of the LDR, which if gets obstacle like hand or any foreign material during the closure of the metro door, then the automated program signal will stop the metro door to close and immediately give a sound beep. This process will solve the miscommunication between passengers' knowledge and the metro status. It can be implemented on lift or any object which uses pneumatic doors.
Our future plan include IoT-based technology to enhance pilot passenger communication and implementation of voice-over interface instead of per second alarm. It can be used in environmental controlled labs, lifts, security alarms, etc.
In future, the terrible story of John won't be repeated again.